Hey boys and girls, this is what we came for. We drove 500 miles each way to get to the quarantine cruise. This has been going on since 2020, and you're gonna get every flavor of car and truck over here. So we're gonna have a great time today. There's gonna be walking around, there's gonna be driving, there's gonna be some interviews. This is really, really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this part.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to support our channel, go to our website at maniacsgarage.com and check out the merch we have. We have t-shirts, hats, decals, we even have a backpack. Don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. Well, let's get back to this video.
Can't believe I'm out here cruising Balboa Island. Actually, it's Balboa Peninsula in Newport Beach. This is my old stomping grounds right here. Used to cruise all the time. Pretty much every weekend, man. We were down here just cruising our cars. Here I am back after 15 years of not having anything custom like this and having it on the streets in Balboa. So we're in the middle of the cruise. We decided to pull over right here at the beach. It's beautiful. Do some still shots of the 49. And I gotta tell you guys, I'm having fun with Connor. This is a really cool father-son time out here. Wrap it up over at this place and get to the end of the cruise. Do some more filming, look at some more cars, grab some lunch.
Molested.
right, guys. Well, man, this was an awesome day today at Quarantine Cruise. Man, we started in
Costa Mesa.
Costa Mesa. Got here to, what are we? Oh, wait,
Long Beach.
do over. All right. All right, guys. Well, man, we had such a good time today at Quarantine Cruise. And I got Ken with me right now. Ken, he's one of the organizers of this event. One of the fire starters, man, from the beginning, 3 years ago.
Yeah, man, 3 years ago when the pandemic happened, knocked it out. Actually, you know, Jason, Heck, and Patrick, partners on the Quarantine Cruise, and man, now we're at Quarantine Cruise 38, and it's crazy because we got Maniacs out here. It's just absolutely, just Maniacs everywhere. So it's super awesome to see John come out, you guys come out all the way from Arizona, and come out and check out what we have, man. What's your thoughts? I mean, this is
my gosh,
you've been, but this is the first time in Born 49.
That's right. This is the first time that we actually got to drive it, so it was so cool, dude. I mean, I just went off and I just started cruising, and I went back to my old route, did Balboa, and kind of came around and hung out, you know, with my son. It was so cool. I kind of got lost in the you know, reminiscing the old times. But man, these cars, they're incredible cars. And you guys draw this kind of crowd like on a monthly basis ever since on 38. So 38 months running, right? How many cars today?
Man, it felt like, I don't know, a lot. I would say. I mean, what do you think?
1,000 cars.
At least. I mean, it was, there was a lot of cars.
You guys.
So,
I mean, this is like a rolling car show, right? Starts in one location, just fills the parking lot. There's all kinds of stuff going on, vendors, cool stuff going on. And then there's cruising, and you're on PCH, Pacific Coast Highway, and then you end up here. And you got food, you got stuff to do.
What's really cool is, like, you've got your $5,000 car to your $750,000 car parked right next to it, and then you got the Maniac right there next to you, you know? And what's really cool is having all that diversity here at the event, right? From Broncos to K5s to, you know,
I couldn't
C10s
believe how much
to
diversity
Impalas
is, man.
to, man, you name it, Camaros,
Exotics.
you name it. So, yeah, a little of everything,
Everybody
right?
shows up for this thing because it's so well organized, it's well put together, it's a fun thing, it's safe, it's cool, man. It's just such a cool event.
The best part, how much does it cost?
It's cost a goose egg to show up here, except 500 miles to drive here for us,
Right.
but that's beside the point.
Hey, that don't count.
Do we get long distance award?
You know what? You know what? We're going to go actually to a barbecue spot, and yeah, I'll get you a rib, one rib.
Nice, I like that. So we were parked closer to those $5,000 cars, not the $750,000 cars, but man, we had such a good time.
There you go, man. It
Dude,
was
thanks
really
again,
awesome,
man, for having us out here for this. It was long coming. I've been trying to get out here for this, and we finally made it. So.
We were just waiting for the Maniacs
so
to show
fun,
up, man, you know?
So fun. You guys are amazing. All right, guys. Well, hey, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did. We're going to see you on another one.